In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install apps in Confluence. To get started, open Confluence in your browser and sign into your workspace. From the top navigation, look for the Apps option and select it. This is your gateway to the Atlassian marketplace where you can extend Confluence with diagrams, automations, integrations, and more. Before we begin, note that installing apps usually requires site admin permissions in Confluence. If you don't see the options I mentioned, your organization may have restricted installations, so you may need to ask an administrator to complete these steps on your behalf. On the Apps page, choose Explore More Apps. You'll land in a catalog view. At the top right, open the Sort menu. First, view the list by relevance to see results tailored to your query. Then switch to top rated to surface apps with the highest customer satisfaction. Next, try popularity to find what's trending now, followed by top selling for widely adopted solutions and new to catch the latest releases. Cycling through these options helps you quickly compare quality, momentum, and novelty before you decide. If you already know what you need, use the search bar to find a specific app by name or function. When you spot an app that fits your use case, click it to open the details page. Most apps offer a free 30-day trial, which is perfect for testing in your environment without commitment. On the app page, select Get It Now. Before you proceed, take a moment to review the information provided. Open the review section to read user feedback and see how the app performs in real teams. Then check permissions to understand exactly what access the app requires in your Confluence instance. Finally, look at data management to learn where data is stored and how it's handled. These sections provide the transparency you need to make an informed decision. When you're ready, click Get It Now again to confirm. Confluence will begin installing the app. You'll see a message letting you know that the process has started and that you'll be notified when the app has been added. Installation typically takes less than a minute, but timing can vary depending on your network and the app's size. Once installation completes, you'll receive a confirmation that the app has been added to your instance and is ready to use. From there, you can open the app from the Apps menu or within the areas of Confluence it enhances. If needed, you can manage or remove apps later from the same apps area. That's it, you've successfully installed an app in Confluence.